what it do, what it don't, what it is, and you already know what this is. This is what we're not saying. Magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zia, and I'm your host P5, aka Pino Gragio, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go around camera, come back in, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it. Let's do it. Alright guys, I'm back. You see what we've got here. Look at it. Let me give you a little twirlage. Now we do the twirlage. Guys, let's get into it. Today we have this Plurimus NO S21 1A, and yeah, really nice. Alright guys, let's start where we always like to start. We're going to start at the waist. So there's my waist, and it comes just below the waist. My t-shirt's a bit longer, so you've got that nice little bit there, so you can see the t-shirt and still see the jacket over it. You know what I mean? If you know what I mean. Alright, cool. Let me just give you the cuffages. Left cuffage, right cuffage. So we have this nice, it's kind of like a ripstop material. I think it is actually ripstop. Really nice. Let me give you a little close-up on the old ripstopage right there. You see the material is materialing. You know what I mean? Alright, really nice. So on the cuffage you have this nice little square Velcro patch with a look at that, a nice little curved cuff right there. Nice little detail. So if you do the little cuffage right there, let me just do that. So that goes, nice little taper again. If you taper it all the way, let me go all the way. It's a bit tricky, but got it. Look, if you taper it all the way, it's like you're wearing your favorite shirt. It really does give you taperage. Like I said on the last couple jackets, the tapering on the Plurimus is really nice. And there's your usual, hands in, you're all good to go. So equilibrium's a beautiful thing. You've got the same thing on the same side. I mean the other side, sorry. God, can I talk? I'm not too sure. Alright, let me step back a bit. Alright, cool. We're gonna zip up just so we can see what's going on. Alright, let me give you a step back so you can see. So this is the zip up. It goes all the way. Hold on, bear with me. It goes all the way just to the roof of the neck right there. You can see roof of the neck, sorry, not roof of the neck, base of the neck. It goes right there to the base of the neck. Really nice. Of course, you have the pockets. We love a pocket, don't we? Left hand side, right hand side. Equilibrium is a beautiful thing. We have this double zip pocket right there. Let me just show you up close. Let me show you. So you got a double zip pocket, so you can go up and you can go down. I think that's the first time I've actually seen that. You see, up pocket, down zip, you know what I mean? And then you put your hand in there. Let me just do the same. Left hand side, right hand side. Put your hand in. Now, that gives you some really nice space. I think if you want to smuggle a couple of your relatives into the country, you could probably put them in there. I'm not saying anyone's going to do that, but you never know. COVID restrictions and all that. But anyway, so really nice. It's like an envelope pocket. You can put your laptop in there, I'm pretty sure, like in real life. No, maybe your tablet, you know. But like I said, a few people that you might want to smuggle in. If you've got the boat that you're going to take them on, boom, put them in there, you're good to go. Really nice. And those pockets are covered by these water, these rubberized sort of, I guess, for waterproofing. You know, they put the rubber on the zip for waterproofing. So really dope. So if you are going by boat and you put them in here, bruv, you're good. You know what I mean? They are not going to drown. But anyway, all right, let's step back. Okay, let me look at the zip. The zips say Blitz. The zip say Blitz, so I've never heard of those, but these are Blitz zips. And if you look on left hand side, right hand side, further back, you've got another set of pockets. I will just boom, pull that down, and again, really roomy. Another set of pockets, really roomy. Equilibrium is a beautiful thing, so of course you've got the same thing right there. Equilibrium is a beautiful thing, really roomy. This is where you put your hands. Let me show you. You put your hands in your skyrocket as you was walking down the street. I was walking down the street with my hands in my skyrocket. Perfect for that. You get me? Walking down, bit woo, bit way. Beautiful. Move up. Zip. Move up. Okay, now this material, like I said, is a ripstop. As you can see, it is in this fetching sort of machine gun metal grey, you know, and it's got variants. You see the speckles, you see the lighting as it hits it. You might see, let me just lift my arm, you see them specklage right there? That's sort of like a speckle effect. Let me move to the top. So left hand side, right hand side, you have these sort of bounty hunter pockets right here, which This is a beautiful touch. Look at this. Here we go. Bounty Hunter pocket, lifts up, Velcro. You hear the strength of that Velcro, beautiful. And of course, what do we have in there? We have another skyrocket right there, hand in. Again, this will be for your dog and bone, maybe a couple pairs of shoes. You can put them in there as you're going traveling. Zip back up, waterproof seam once again. Yeah, that goes all the way. I can feel my shoulder, it goes all the way up. Nice bit of design that, I like that. The Velcro, again, you heard it, beautiful. Of course, you've got that sort of speckled effect right there, you know what I'm saying? Super dope. Equilibrium is a beautiful thing, and we've got the same on the other side. So you see that I'm not a liar. Let me just show you. Boom. The only difference is you have your look at that Velcro, love it. Plurimus badge right there, removable. And of course, as you know, you have the spare badge holder inside of the jacket. Alright guys, let's move to the next bit. You know what we like on the jacket? We like the hood of a jacket. Let's see what I want. Okay, look at that guys. Really, really nice. Look, tappity tap tap, you're good. Really nice. It's got good coverage. Like if I was to zip up, you've got this little panel there which locks you over. Super, super nice. You see that? And of course, special bits like, look, see, Velcro. So you could, it's like a double hood. You see that? Boom, removable. Super nice, you see, like that, removable, good to go. And you see what that lining is, right? You can see that lining, you can see it. Can you see it? Squid, you see the squid? Look, you got that squid lining right there. Boom, inside all the way up, really dope. I'm just going to take that off and show you. All right, let me take this off, I'll show you what I want. Now look at that. As you can see, you got that squid lining there, like on the Plurimus. Let me not get it wrong. 19, the overshirt that I showed you. You got that, and if you just remove that, you can see right there. The sun hits it. It's crazy. You might catch it, you might not. But yeah, really nice. And then, of course, you've got the face adjuster right there. I've made that up, but you know how that goes. Okay, cool. Let me just put this back together. And then this, as you can see, is number 71 of 99. Of course, you always have the badge in there. Nice little indicator. Pocket, of course, standard, you know, really nice. Put your hand in, keep a couple bars of gold, can't go wrong. Super dope, you're good to go, you know. All right, so on the inside, you've got this sort of, I'm not sure what material this is, but you've also got this here which allows you to kind of, you know, if you want to sling it over your shoulder or, you know, wear it as a double like so, you know what I mean? You got hot, you took it off, and now it's down like that. You're walking through the beach, just be careful someone doesn't snatch it, you know what I mean? But really, really nice touch. You got another pocket right there in that ripstop material, again with that super Velcro, super nice. Now, you might think that's all. Nope, you've got some nice little adjusters, as I like to call them, allowing for the taperage of the waist right there. Of course, equilibrium is a beautiful thing, so you got the same right there. Okay, let's go in. Like I said, you got spare badge holder. I didn't lie, it's right there. Squid material yet again, give you some of that squiddage. Now, let me just show you some of the detailing on the arm. Look at that. Detailing, just speckled. We like speckled, you know, if you're in the crepe world, we do like a bit of speckles on crepes, especially if they're Air Maxes. But anyway, maybe it's just me. Now, let me show you something. I know what you're thinking. Oh, a bit of specklage, so what? Who cares? If you look carefully on the back there, can you see? Oh, the wind's blowing, but you might see the outline of Plurimus right there. You might be able to see the logo right there. You see it. I know you can see it. So this has 3M treatment. Yeah, it's got like that special process. So I'm going to show you what it looks like under the flash. Really dope. Alright gang, you've seen what it looks like under the flash. Really, really nice. I'm just liking the little touches that Fabio's put to these jackets, do you know what I mean? It's like, and that's the beauty of these jackets. You do get geeked out by little things like that. A little 3M panel, you know, a little bit of Tyvek, a little bit of This might be Tyvek, by the way. I'm not even sure. I should know. I'll put the details down below. Alright gang, that's the jacket. I've been your boy P5, aka P is for Plurimus. This has been a nice bit of kit that this is once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. So yeah, you already know what it is. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you as always for watching. You already know what to do. Leave that shit down below. Be cool, and remember, don't let the bed bugs bite. Peace.